Welcome back to another interesting tutorial on Android phone tips. And in today's tutorial, I will show you on how to deep clean your Android phone storage and boost performance of your Android phone. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Phone Master. I'm going to click on here now to open up my Phone Master. From your Phone Master right there, make sure you look for storage clean. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Allow the junk to be after successful scanning all the storage. Next thing we want to do right here is to make sure we click on junk file right here. Let us work on the junk file first. So junk file is going to take you right here. What you need to do right here is to click on clear junk file. So I have about 66 point something junk file data. So allow the junk file to be clear off. It's that simple. That is done. The next thing we want to do here is to review some of the apps right here that still have more junk file. Like WhatsApp junk file right here, we can click on clean now. So if you have any junk file in your WhatsApp, it's going to be generated right here. So you have such as images, audio, video, and receive file. So here you can decide to clear or any of the junk file right here. So I'm going to simply clean off images junk file and the video junk file. I'm going to click on here, delete selected files. Data cannot be recovered after deletion. Confirm deletion. So you have to be sure of that. So click on that. Then all the junk file in my WhatsApp category is going to be clear off, and I will have to get more storage space on my phone. So we can simply go back here also. Then here we still have some files right here about, we have recycle bin file, we have a large file. Then you can scroll down and see some of the files right here. Now here I'm going to review the recycle bin right here. So click on recycle bin. So under the recycle bin, it means all the files you have been deleting so far on your phone is not completely deleted. Some of them are stored right here in recycle bin. So just like what you see right here. So file deleted within 7 days can be recovered here. So anything after 7 days, all the file you deleted is going to be wiped off out of your recycle bin. So let's, for instance, if you delete something in the past, you can easily recover them right here. That is it. So if you want to completely free up some of the storage space on your recycle bin, what you need to do is to simply select as many as possible data you have right here that you want to simply permanently delete it. Make sure you review properly so that you don't clean up some of the necessary information you have right here. As you can see right here, there is much more, a lot of information right here that I'm going to simply delete off. It's that simple. Once you select all the file that you want to delete, simply come down below right here and make sure you hit on. Once you select everything that you want to permanently delete and you confirm that you are ready to delete them, click on delete right here. Delete selected images. This action cannot be undone. Items will be deleted permanently. Click on delete right here and allow the Phone Master to do the magic. Then you can free as many as possible storage space right here. Next, we can come to app cache right here. So app cache here, all the apps that you have on your phone is going to be found right here. Then here, you can simply delete all the cache files that comprise a lot of storage spaces on your Android phone. So everything has been aligned here automatically. Just come down below right here and click on clean. Then cannot be recovered after deletion. Confirm delete on some of the cache file right here. So you can simply go back, then you have everything clean up right here. And one more thing here is that you can also clean up your Chrome data. So click on Chrome data right here, and then you're going to see all your Chrome data, such as backup conversation history and file received from your Chrome. Just like what you see right there, I have about 5.52 gigabytes of file right here. So in case if you don't need any of the information from your Chrome storage right here, simply select the files and then hit on clean right here. You can imagine I'm saving about 5.21 gigabytes right here. But before you can do that, make sure that they are information that you no longer need them. And also click on your backup, and then you see all the backup right here. They are unnecessary files that occupy a lot of storage space on your phone. Select them all and come down below right here. Make sure you click on clean and delete. You save quite a lot of storage right here. Then go back right here and go back, and then you can review some of the files from the bottom right here also. So you can also come to the audio sections right here. This is all the audio files you have on your phone, such as music, WhatsApp audio notes, phone call recording. Everything is going to be found right here. What you need to do is to review and see which one you want to permanently delete. Once you select any one of them you want to delete, then hit on delete. I'll simply click and hold down, select that. I will make sure I select this. You can select as many as possible audio file. Come down below right here, hit on clean, click on delete. So you save quite a lot of storage space right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to deep clean the storage of your Android phone in order to boost your Android phone performance. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.